Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Hi, I'm 20 years old, female. I just want to share something. This happened when I was 17. I have a boyfriend. He was 18 that time. We are both legal on each other's side. He's always invited when we have family dinners. And minsan, sa bahay na rin siya natutulog. Not in my room, pero sa room ng kuya ko. My kuya was 19 that time and super close ni kuya and ng boyfriend ko. To the point na parang sila yung in a relationship. One time, we went to a private resort. Since the resort only had 2 rooms, ako, si kuya, and yung boyfriend ko are all in the same room. It had one single bed and one double deck. After settling in the room, I went for a swim, leaving my kuya and boyfriend alone in the room. Busy kasi sila playing mobile games on their phone. After swimming, I went back to the room to get my phone. On my way back to the room, I swear, I heard someone moaning coming from our room. May maliit na siwang sa pinto kaya sumilip ako. Shocks! Nagulat ako. Nakita ko si kuya and yung boyfriend ko doing you know what it is. And girl, nakapatong si kuya sa boyfriend ko. Sa sobrang shock ko, hindi ako makagalaw. I just stared at them habang may luha sa mata. After a few weeks, sa bahay ulit natulog yung boyfriend ko. Alam kong mangyayari ulit yon, pero hindi ako nagsalita. I was scared to confront them. Ayoko maging awkward, lalo na close kami ng kuya ko. At hanggang ngayon, kami pa rin ng boyfriend ko.